Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix error code 0x80072f8f 0x20000. First, let's start with some basic checks. It's essential to ensure your computer's date and time are set correctly, as incorrect settings can prevent secure connections. Also, confirm you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes, security software like your firewall or antivirus can interfere, so temporarily disabling them might help diagnose the issue. Remember to re-enable them afterward for your protection. Next, we need to enable crucial security protocols. This error often occurs because older Windows versions might have TLS 1.1 and TLS 1.2 disabled by default. These protocols are vital for establishing secure communication with Microsoft servers. By enabling them, you allow your system to properly verify security certificates and connect without issues, which is a common fix for this specific error code. Even after enabling TLS protocols, an additional update is often necessary. Microsoft released a specific update, KB3140245, to enhance TLS support on older systems. Installing this package ensures your system fully integrates these secure protocols. You can also use a Microsoft-provided Easy Fix tool or manually adjust registry settings to properly configure TLS 1.1 and 1.2, solidifying your system's secure connection capabilities. Finally, let's clear out any potentially corrupted update files. Sometimes, the error stems from a damaged Windows update cache. By stopping the relevant services and deleting the contents of the software distribution folder, you essentially give Windows Update a fresh start. After restarting the services and your computer, your system can re-download necessary updates cleanly, often resolving persistent update errors like the one you're facing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.